Hello viewers, in this video I will tell you what is a balanced chemical equation. A balanced chemical equation is a representation of a chemical reaction using the chemical formulas of the reactants and products, ensuring that the number of atoms of each element is the same on both sides of the equation. In other words, the equation obeys the law of conservation of mass, which states that matter cannot be created or destroyed in a chemical reaction, only rearranged. A balanced chemical equation provides information about the stoichiometry of the reaction, indicating the relative amounts of each reactant and product involved. The balancing process involves adjusting the coefficients, whole numbers, in front of the chemical formulas, so that the number of atoms for each element is equal on both sides of the equation. For example, consider the reaction between hydrogen gas, H, and oxygen gas, O, to form water, HO. 2H2, G, plus O2, G, right pointing arrow 2H2O, L. In this balanced equation, the coefficients 2, 1, and 2 ensure that the number of hydrogen atoms, oxygen atoms, and water molecules is the same on both sides, satisfying the law of conservation of mass. Hope you are clear. Thanks for watching.